Oh no, no. I might pick up a shell.
Okay.
That's dedication right there. I sprayed it right here. It was like 1 in the morning.
Alright guys, I got a package in the mail. This is from TRD Jan Tony. You can check out his Instagram right there. Picked this up yesterday. It's got a note in the back. What's up? Dana, here's a little gift for you. I hope you can put it to good use in one of your projects. If not, you can scrap it. Keep up the good videos on YouTube. From Tony, aka TRD Jan Tony on Instagram. Holy shit. Federals, huh? 45s. I don't know if my car can use this, but I know my gun can. We're gonna have a potluck, guys. We got napkins donated from Tony, and we can wipe our face with this. This right here is a really old school blow-off valve. You know, I can definitely put this to good usage. Because I plan on boosting the coupe, I was gonna use this guy, El Cheapo Vato Loco, that's been sitting on the roof of my wagon. And this is eBay. It's crappy, it's shitty, but it makes choo-choo noises. So now that we've got this, and I believe this is metal, should be easy to weld. Thank you, Tony, for this, man. I truly appreciate it. If I don't use it, I would definitely try to raffle this off. Maybe make a charge pipe going down the frame rail and have this attached to it. So that way, whoever gets it doesn't have to try to find a pipe that works for it. And hopefully they can put it to use. But we'll determine that later. Alright guys, so if you made it to this point, you probably could already tell this video is more of a montage type of deal, but if you guys seen the last video, I said that if we hit 1,000 likes, Joe was gonna buy some wheels, and we're back here at NorCal Auto Styles, Caesar's shop, and we've tried a lot of different colored wheels, and the choices between the Rep RPF ones and the Rep K ones, and right now it's just color choices, honestly. By the time you guys see this video, we probably already made a choice, but I don't know what you guys think. So her choice is the silver RPF one, and Joe is kind of, after throwing this one on, because he wanted the gunmetal one.
Yeah.
He threw this one on. Now he's kind of like indecisive, and honestly, I'm stuck too. It's not even my car, but check this out. I think it looks really good on this one. You can kind of see it right there, right? And here's Joe's choice.
Get my checkbook.
Damn, that one looks good too, Joe. Wow, that one looks really good too. The wheel size is what, 15 by 7 plus 35. The car already has the Reza DZ 102s, I believe, and they are a 205 spec, I believe.
205/50.
Yeah, and
15.
It'll fit perfect on these 15 by 7s, man. Guys, today Joe is getting blessed.
One for the Focus. 2 for the Civic.
I thought you wanted 3 plates.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there, all right? Getting there.
So even if I turn in the background, it don't matter because it's all gonna be music and shit.
We gonna bless them, or we gonna not gonna bless them? Ricky's supposed to be blessed, but I'm gonna put them up to pay for everything. On the site though. This bad, I was at 20.
That's off-roading style. Man.
Look at, oh my God.
Off-road dead. I'm already sad about fucking hitting 30, y'all. Wait, what?
Your legs are open, that's why.
I can open too?
Your legs are open. Closed.
That shit would smell like Boston.
What is that, Paco?
Tequila.
I don't see nothing in there, fool. What you got in there, fool? Damn, fool. There's nothing in your cup, fool. Tuck, man.
You're all Alright, man.
Alright. Hey, happy birthday, my nigga.
Thank you, everybody, for coming through. Chilling.
Salute.
We should go to a warm
28. Sorry, 28.
28.
Like a boy
Thank
cruise
God
to
I'm
a
still
wine.
23.
That would be so funny.
Hey, I just want to say thank you for making it to the end of this video. I know it's kind of weird that I wasn't talking too much. I just had a lot of things going on this past week, and we were just putting a lot of work in. Guys, before we end this video here, I think this is the perfect time to do this giveaway because it is a new week, and I think I figured out how I'm going to do this giveaway. So if you guys remembered, we had this piece right here provided by Joe, and we got this piece right here donated by my buddy's son with the blue CRV. And on my part, I am going to be giving a Built to Drive license plate, and in this giveaway, we're going to be having 3 winners. I'm going to keep it just as simple as all the other giveaways I have done earlier this year. We're going to be doing a comment in this video, hashtag B2DXJoe giveaway 2019, and I'm going to use the website to randomly pick 3 people in the comment sections to win these prizes. So first pick winner is going to get this PLM shifter. It is for B&D series. It is brand new, comes with hardware, and it also comes with a block shift knob. It will also come with a CRX Hot Wheel because my car is red, that one's red, and you are the first winner, obviously. Second winner is going to get a Built to Drive license plate frame and an Acura NSX Hot Wheel. And last but not least, third picked winner is going to win a Hot Wheel 90EF hatchback. So it's pretty simple, guys. Comment in this video and this video only and enter yourself in for a chance to win one of these 3 items. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to stick around for the VTEC head conversion and the new turbo manifold setup, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.